In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Calendly with Outlook. If you use Calendly to manage your appointments and Outlook for your emails and calendar tasks, integrating these two tools can save you time and ensure your schedule stays perfectly in sync. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a seamless connection between your Calendly events and your Outlook calendar, making sure you never miss an appointment. If you don't already have a Calendly account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and follow along. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to www.calendly.com. Once you're on the website, look for the Login button at the top right corner of the page and click on it. This is the first step to access your Calendly account, which is necessary for setting up the integration. Go ahead and log in using your preferred method, whether that's your email address, Google account, or any other option provided. If you're new to Calendly and don't have an account yet, take a moment to create one. It's quick and easy, then log in to proceed. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard of your Calendly account. This is where you can manage all of your scheduling tasks. From here, look for the section labeled Integrations and Apps. Click on it to open a new page. This is the section that allows you to connect Calendly with other apps and services, making your workflows even more efficient. Now that you're in the Integrations and Apps section, you'll see a search bar. In the search bar, type Outlook. This will filter the available integrations so you can easily find what you're looking for. From the search results, locate the option called Outlook Calendar and click on it. This is the specific integration we need to set up in order to sync your Calendly events with your Outlook calendar. Once you've selected Outlook Calendar, you'll see a Connect button. Click on that button to begin the connection process. At this point, Calendly will guide you through a series of prompts to authorize the integration. These prompts are important because they give Calendly the necessary permissions to access your Outlook calendar. This ensures that your events and appointments will sync automatically, saving you the hassle of manually updating your calendars. As you go through the authorization steps, follow the instructions carefully. You might be asked to log into your Outlook account or confirm certain permissions. Don't worry, this process is secure and only takes a few moments. Once you've completed all the prompts, the integration will be finalized and your Calendly account will now be connected to your Outlook calendar. And that's it. You've successfully set up the integration between Calendly and Outlook. From now on, any events you schedule through Calendly will automatically sync with your Outlook calendar, helping you stay organized and on top of your commitments. If you have any questions about this process or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment below. I'd be happy to help. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.